Hey guys, in this video I will give you the review on Jira bug tracking tool and will show you how to track and resolve bugs efficiently with Jira. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Bug tracking is a core part of any software development process. When teams are building products, encountering bugs is inevitable. These glitches, errors, or unexpected behaviors can occur at any phase of development, from coding to final testing. The real challenge isn't avoiding bugs entirely, because that's practically impossible in complex systems. Instead, it's all about how efficiently you identify, organize, assign, and resolve them. That's where Jira steps in and offers a robust solution. In this video, the spotlight is on using Jira specifically for bug tracking. While Jira can cater to a broad set of project management needs, it excels particularly well when it comes to managing issues and software defects. Our goal is to walk you through the setup process, how to properly report bugs, assign them to the right team members, follow their progress, and ensure that nothing slips through the cracks. This guide is designed both for teams aiming to tighten their workflow and for individuals, especially QA testers or developers who are just beginning to work with Jira. Whether you're part of a QA team tasked with ensuring quality, a developer fixing reported issues, or a product owner keeping tabs on bug resolution timelines, understanding how to use Jira effectively for bugs can dramatically enhance your communication and speed up your response time. Now, before diving into the actual process, it's essential to understand what Jira's bug tracking is all about and how it functions at its core. Jira is a product developed by Atlassian. It's widely used across industries to support project and issue tracking. Originally designed for software teams, it has evolved into a flexible platform that helps teams plan, track, and manage work across various types of projects. In the world of software development, Jira is often associated with Agile methodologies like Scrum or Kanban. However, its real strength lies in task and issue management, making it a great fit for bug tracking. When used for bug tracking, Jira enables teams to document every detail of a reported issue. This includes a clear title, a full and specific description, steps to reproduce the bug, any attached screenshots or recordings, the severity level, and additional technical context. These bug entries can be assigned to specific team members based on skill, priority, or availability. Furthermore, Jira allows issues to be categorized, prioritized, labeled, and even linked to larger tasks or user stories, offering complete traceability. As bugs move through a software development lifecycle, Jira helps track their real-time status. Typically, these bugs pass through states such as open, in progress, in review, and finally resolved. What makes Jira stand out is its customizable workflows. Different teams have different internal processes, and Jira allows those workflows to be adjusted to match your specific approach. For instance, one team might require a QA review before closing any bug, while another may send bugs straight to developers for triage. This adaptability is a major reason why Jira is so popular among agile and cross-functional teams. In organizations working across time zones or involving multiple roles such as testers, developers, analysts, and product managers, Jira becomes a centralized hub for collaboration. Everyone involved gets visibility into what needs fixing, who is responsible, and where it stands in the pipeline. It improves team alignment and ensures accountability. Now, let's move into the practical steps. Start by searching for Jira's bug tracking functionality. On the official site, you'll notice that Jira offers a free version of their bug tracking software, which is perfect for small teams or newcomers. If you already have an account, you'll be redirected straight to your project dashboard. If not, you can sign up quickly for free and gain access to its core features without any initial cost. Once you've signed in, you'll land on a screen where you can access the Jira bug tracking template. If you haven't used this template before, you can easily create a new project from scratch. To do this, go to your Projects tab, then click on Create Project. As you scroll down, select Jira and look for the bug tracking template. Click on Use Template to proceed. You'll now be taken to your project setup page. Simply enter your project name and it will automatically select the key. Now simply tap on Create and your template is ready to use. This is the space where you'll manage all bug-related tasks. You'll notice various tabs like Summary, Reports, and more. The summary gives you an overview, while the reporting section offers insights such as cycle time reports, deployment frequency, average issue age, and other valuable metrics. These reports become more insightful as you continue to populate your project with data. Creating a bug report is simple. Select the issue type as bug. Set its status initially to to-do. You can enter a brief summary, such as login button not responding. Next, you can set its parent issue if it belongs to a bigger task. Fill in the description field with reproduction steps and technical notes. Choose a priority level, such as low, medium, or critical. Assign a responsible team or individual. Set labels for categorization and input any time estimates if necessary. Once complete, click Create, and your bug is now officially in the system. After the project is created, you'll be brought into the main tracking view. One way to visualize your bugs is through the list view. Here, you'll see each entry in a table format, organized by priority, status, and assignee. To inspect a bug, just click on it. You'll see all associated details like the description, affected environment, attachments, and other contextual data. Bugs can be assigned to team members manually. If it's unassigned, simply click and assign it to yourself or another user. The priority and due date fields help you monitor deadlines and importance. In addition to the list view, you can also create forms to standardize how new bugs are submitted. To do this, click on Create Form. You can start from a blank form or use one of Jira's existing templates. This is especially useful for teams that want a consistent format for reporting bugs. Next, we have the Goals section, where strategic objectives can be tied to your bug tracking efforts. This might require returning to Atlassian's main dashboard, so we'll skip that for now. Then there's the All Work section, where all open and closed issues are compiled and accessible. You can filter by status, assignee, or label to quickly find what you need. Under Components, you can tag bugs with relevant software components, making it easier to isolate problem areas in your product. Jira also lets you connect your code repositories, like GitHub, so commits can be linked to specific bug fixes. In the Releases tab, you can track which bugs are included in which software versions. Archived issues are stored separately so that your board stays clean, but past records are still accessible for audits or reviews. The Pages feature allows your team to build documentation around bugs, troubleshooting, or best practices. You can preview existing templates or start a new page from scratch. Lastly, you'll find shortcuts, which can include quick links to learning resources or internal guides. If you're still learning Jira, these can be incredibly helpful. So that wraps up all the essential features of Jira's bug tracking tool. From creating bug issues, assigning them, tracking status updates, to analyzing reports, Jira provides a unified workspace that supports your software development process. With time, you and your team can customize it further, add integrations, and build dashboards that meet your workflow needs. Simply create your bug project or issue, collaborate with your team members, and make the most of Jira's built-in tools. The platform is built to scale with your needs, so whether you're a solo developer or part of a growing QA team, Jira will help you keep your projects clean, organized, and bug-free. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.